So guys, as we all know, client scripts are piece of JavaScript that will be executed on the form in the client side. There are four types of client scripts. OnLoad client script that will be executed whenever the form gets loaded. OnChange client script, whenever you change the field value on a particular field, the OnChange client script will run. And when it comes to the OnSubmit client script, every time when you are trying to submit the form, before form submission, the OnSubmit client script will run. Every time when you change the value on a particular field from the list, the onSelected client script will run. So today we are going to discuss about onLoad client script use cases. Okay, clear, right? So here, like you open the shipping case form, I am opening the incident form here. Like you open the shipping case form, I am opening the incident form here. Okay, clear, right? If the current logged in user has ITIL role, if the current logged in user has ITIL role, okay, then he should be able to see the state field. He should be able to see this resolution information section. If he doesn't have ITIL role, okay, if he doesn't have ITIL role, this field should be hidden. If he has ITIL role, this section should be visible, the state field should be visible. Getting my point? If he doesn't have ITIL role, this should not be visible. State field should not be visible, and resolution information section will not be visible. Clear, right? Hmm. So every time when I'll open the form, first I will check if the current logged in user has ITIL role or not. If the ITIL role is there, I will show this field. I'll show that section. If not there, I'll hide this field. I'll hide the section. That means I am writing an onload client script. Every time when I open the form, the onload client script will run. In the onload client script, I will check if the current logged in user has specific role or not. Then I will show these fields and show the sections. If not, I'll hide these fields and sections. I am writing an onload client script now. Right click, configure client scripts. Okay, right click, configure client scripts. I'm creating a new client script here. So I'm selecting type of client script as onload client script. UI type means, guys, this form can be seen in different places. If it should work on all the places, you will select all. Only from the form means you will select a desktop. Getting my point? This form can be seen in mobile. This form can be seen in portal. This form can be seen in different places. So the client script that you are creating should work from all the sources. Means you will select all here. Only from the form means only from this particular place means okay. Only from this particular place means you will select a desktop. From all means you will select all. So very first thing, I am using JavaScript if condition. JavaScript if else condition. Here I have to pass true or false. Here I have to pass either true or false. If it is true, what is there in the if condition will be executed. If it is false, what is there in the else condition will be executed. So here I am passing true or false using g underscore user dot has role exactly ATIL. So this will give you boolean value true or false. If it is true, inside the if condition will be executed. If it is false, inside the else part will be executed. Okay, getting my point. So I have to hide the field, right? I have to show the field, right? G underscore form dot set display field name. The field name here is state. Okay, state. But in our shipping case form, U underscore case. That's a custom field. G underscore form dot set section display. So section name, let us say resolution information. So all letters should be small letters. So if it is false, I have to hide it, right? Okay. So current logged in user has Uday Gadiparthi, the system administrator has ITIL role. I think he doesn't have ITIL role. Current logged in user doesn't have ITIL role. He is not able to see. We will do one thing. We will add, ITL role to current logged in user. Yeah, has role will give you true. I'm granting ITL role here. So granted ITL role. Okay. What is has role exactly ITL set display true resolution true. Mm. As role exactly ITIL. We'll take another user. Let us take able tutor. For able tutor, I am granting ITL role. I am impersonating as able tutor. The able tutor is able to see this one. Able tutor is able to see this one. Now what I am doing is I am going to end the impersonation. I am going to remove the role from able tutor. So I removed the role from able tutor, right? I am going to impersonate as able tutor now. I am going to refresh the form now. Now able tutor doesn't have ITL role, right? Hmm. He is not able to see other fields as well. He is not able to see other fields as well. Now you can see current logged in user system administrator is able to see state field and resolution information field. I'm going to remove ITL role from this particular system administrator. Okay. I think we have to change the session. Change the session in the sense by impersonating as another one. Now current logged in user doesn't have ITL role, right? He is not able to see state field. He is not able to see resolution information field. Getting my point? On the farm load, if he has ITL role, only ITL role. If he doesn't have if he doesn't have ITL role, he won't be able to see those two fields. If he has the role, then he will be able to see those section and field. Okay. You guys are clear, right? Fine. Now my second requirement is I'm going to deactivate this one, guys. If you observe here, if condition is a JavaScript, glide user, glide form, I've used JavaScript plus glide user plus glide form. You understand? I'm deactivating this line script. I'll give you one more example. Okay, we remember the views concept, right? On the form, we can have many views. Okay, on the form, we can have many views. Okay, so what exactly is that? So whatever the client script that we written, we'll discuss another example, second example. Let us keep a previous example aside. We'll discuss one more example. In the incident form, we have multiple views. Right click, configure, go to form design. You will be able to see multiple views here. You have multiple views here. Okay. Service portal view, mobile view, major incidents view, playbook card view, service snow, so incident resolve model, password view. Likewise, we have different views. Okay. Different views. We will see how exactly the views are looking like. We have these many views here on the incident form. Alright. Hmm. Major incidents view. Okay. This major incidents view, I want to hide all the related lists. Only in the major incidents view, I want to hide all the related list. Not on all the views, only on the major incidents related list. Major incident view only, we have to hide all the related lists. For that, I am actually creating another client script. So right click, configure, go to client scripts, creating a new client script. Okay. Okay. Guys, here on the form load, first of all, I have to check which view it is. Like we are checking if the current logged in user has particular role or not. First of all, we have to check which view it is. So if you uncheck this global checkbox, you can specify the view name here. Major underscore incident. View name. So view name, you can go here and check. This is the view name. Take this view name. Mention here. On the form load, it will check if it is major instance view or not. If it is major instance view, only then the script will be executed. G underscore form dot hide related lists. That's it. Now you can see, you go to the incident form. This is actually a default view. The default view, you are able to see related list here, right? I am going to change the view to a different view. Major incidents view. In the major incidents view, do you think, do you have any related list here? It has hidden all the related lists. Let me change it to another view. Matrix view. In the matrix view, there is a related list here. There is one related list. It is related list. Matrix related list is appearing here. Okay. So only in the major incidents view, the related list will be hidden by using this script. So if you check this global checkbox, it will work on all the views. We did discuss about this global checkbox in the UI policies also, if you remember. Getting my point? Okay. Well, here, first of all, when the form gets loaded, it is checking if it is major incidents view or not. If it is major incidents view, hide all the related lists. Okay. And the another requirement, deactivating this one. And the another requirement is, we have attachment icon here, right? This attachment icon should not be appearing on the new form. It should be appearing on the created record. You got my point? This attachment icon is there, right? This attachment icon will allow you to attach the attachments on this particular incident record. This attachment icon should not appear on the new form. When system ID is -1, it should not appear. Okay. So for that, I am actually writing another client script. Okay. Fine. So I am using JavaScript if condition here. If it is a new form, attachment should not be visible. So G underscore form dot is new record will give you boolean value true or false. It will be true or false. If it is new form, it will be true. If it is not a new form, it will be false. Then G underscore form dot disable attachments. G underscore form dot enable attachment. So this is an existing record, right? It should appear. The attachment icon should appear. It is appearing, right? I am opening a new form. Attachment icon is appearing here. Okay. You guys are getting my point? Hmm?
Normal attachments batti true or false చేయడం అవసరం లేదు. If case boolean value pass చేయడం.
Where? See, here we are passing Boolean value using this line. This line give you output Boolean value true or false. If it is new form, it will give you Boolean value true. If it is not new form, it will give you Boolean value false. End of the day, in the if condition, you have to pass true or false only, right? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So likewise, guys, on the form load, first we are checking if the current logged in user has particular role. We are hiding the field and section. And second, we are checking if on the form load, if it is particular view, we are hiding the related list. In the third use case, on the form load, if it is a new form, we are hiding the attachments. If it is not a new form, we are showing the attachments. Okay. Getting my point? Clear, right? Okay. I will give you one more example. I am creating 3 more fields on the form. I am creating 3 more fields on the form. One string, one reference, and a third one also reference field. One is string type of, another one is reference. The third one is also reference. Okay. Okay. So here, this is caller field, email, location, and department. As soon as I open the form, if it is a new form, understand this. As soon as I open the form, if it is a new form, I have to populate current logged in user name, current logged in user email, current logged in user location, current logged in user department. Current logged in user name, current logged in user email, location, department. So first of all, I have to check if the form is new form. On the form load, I have to check if the form is new form. And I have to populate caller value as current logged in user, email as current logged in user email, location as current logged in user location, and department is current logged in user department. So who is current logged in user? System administrator is the current logged in user. Isn't it? System administrator is the current logged in user. So current logged in user email is this one. Current logged in user department is this one. Current logged in user has location or not, we can check it here. Current logged in user has no location. We'll add one location here. Okay. So current logged in user has email, location, department as well. So as soon as I open the form, current logged in user should be populated here. Current logged in user email, location, department should be populated here. For that, I'm actually creating another client script here. Right click, configure client scripts. Are you able to understand the onload client script use cases? How is it useful and all? I have to check if it is new form or not. Okay. Okay. G underscore form dot is new record. Okay. Getting my point. So that means in the caller field, I have to pass current logged in user details. So popular setting means G underscore form dot set value you have to use. The caller field, current logged in user should be populated. Caller is a reference field, guys. Caller is a reference field. In the reference fields, we have to pass system IDs. So that is why I am using G underscore user dot user ID. User ID will give you the current logged in user system ID. Okay. let me just comment this line. So as it is a new form, it will populate the current logged in user name here. Is it not populating? Okay, the field name here is caller ID. We have taken u_caller. It has populated the current logged in user name. This current logged in user details, how do we get it? Get reference. This current logged in user, this caller details, we have to fetch it, we have to populate it here. Then what I will do is, we'll take the reference where caller reference is equal to g_form dot get reference caller ID uh, caller email caller ID dot email. Okay. Location. This caller email you are passing here. This caller location you are passing here. This caller department you are passing here. So what did you do? First you have set the caller field value as current logged in user. You are taking the current caller reference, like you are getting email, location, department. This email, location, department is actually field names here. Email field name, department field name, and the location field name. These field names I am providing here. Those referenced values I am populating here, guys. The caller location department field. Okay. In the caller location department field, I am populating it here. So now you save this one. I am going to refresh the form now. You can see caller name is populated as current logged in user, email, location, department is populated. Getting my point? Did you observe one thing here? All values are at a time populated. All values are at a time populated. So as why all values are at a time populated? Because the script is waiting for all values. Okay, the script is waiting for all values. So as it is waiting for all values, the form is actually waiting for 1 or 2 seconds. If you see here, the form is waiting for 1 or 2 seconds. Minute difference. It is waiting for 1 or 2 seconds. It is getting the values and populating it here. Now what I do is, I don't want to wait those 1 or 2 seconds as well. So in that case, right, instead of getting the value something like this, I'll use asynchronous call. Asynchronous call, where caller is equal to G underscore form dot get friend. Caller ID, comma, callback. Callback. It's a function, guys. Dot email. Dot location. Department. Okay. So this will not wait for 2 seconds. Both does the same thing, guys. So it won't wait. First caller value will be populated. First caller value is populated. Then remaining values are coming. Did you observe that? First caller value is populated. Then remaining values are coming. Earlier, what was happening? All values are coming at a time. Because we are waiting for 2 seconds there. Now what is happening? First form is loading. Then values are coming. In the first case, what is happening? Form is waiting for all values. Got the difference? In the first case, the form is waiting for all values. Once a form received all values, the form is loading. Now here, first form is loading, then all values are coming. See, I'm just refreshing this one. First system administrator value is populated, then remaining values are coming. In the previous case, form is waiting for all values. So if it is 2 seconds, then fine. If there are 40 scripts are waiting for 2 seconds means 40 into 2, 80 seconds. If the form is waiting for 1 minute means end users get impact, right? See, for one script, it is 2 seconds. For 40 scripts, 80 seconds. To load the form, if it takes 80 seconds, we can't bear, right? Getting my point. So that is why we should go for this asynchronous calls. We should go for this asynchronous calls. Callback function is actually asynchronous call. Asynchronous calls means it will not wait. Synchronous calls means it will wait. Form will wait for synchronous calls. Form will not wait for asynchronous calls. Here form is not waiting. First form is loading, values are coming later. Clear, right? I would request you to complete these tasks, guys, all these tasks. Any questions from anyone? Any questions from anyone, guys? Concept is clear, right?
Yes.
So you are able to understand, right, how JavaScript is useful in ServiceNow?
And one small doubt, right here you have mentioned one function call, right? That is callback. For asynchronous call, you have implemented one function. Are we need to that? I mean, that function we need to implement in the onload itself?
No, you can use it in on change and on submit as well.
No. My question is here inside the inside the onload. Can you move up, Uday? I mean, in the script wise, I'm saying.
No, outside onload you can be write is what the question, right?
Yes. My question is this one. Yes.
No, we can't write it outside the onload.
Yeah, if we want to write any functions, we need to write inside the onload only for
Yes.
this in onload functionality.
Yes.
Okay.
So our requirement should work only on the new form, right? Then what I have written again? the onload, the new record only it should work. That is the logic that we have written here. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yeah. See here I have used JavaScript if condition and glide form, glide user, and JavaScript callback function also I have used. Okay. So I would request you to practice this one, guys. Tomorrow session will be very interesting. Don't miss the tomorrow session. Okay. So from now onward, sessions will be more interesting. Okay.
Sure, thanks, sir.
Okay. Keep practicing, guys, and see you there in tomorrow session. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.